Okay. The first rule in using the Beaker Breaker is to read the instructions and follow them. So I'm going to read the instructions and follow them as part of this demo. The equipment is listed. Number one is place 600 millimeter beaker on the metal and fiberglass and plexiglass platform. And I set the beaker so that the lip on the beaker is pointing more or less towards me, and the wire is just in there. This is the wire that's referred to. It's the paper clip. And I place it about 2-3 millimeters from the end of the cardboard tube. Next, I place the microphone just off the axis of the tube and pointing at the beaker. You may or may not want to use these. I opt not to use them because there's really no reason for this to be very loud, except when it finally bursts. Okay, the next step here is to turn on the oscilloscope, and the oscilloscope is on, and adjust the signal generator, the amplifier first, for a comfortable volume. That's plenty loud enough. And the signal generator for a frequency of about 900 hertz, and the frequency is indicated right here. Right now it's indicating 850, so I'm bringing it up to about 900 hertz, and I adjust the voltage, the sensitivity, vertical sensitivity on the oscilloscope to keep the display within the screen. So there it is, it's about 900 hertz, and I'm going to increase the frequency without touching the amplifier, looking for a resonance. Now there was an earlier resonance. If you listen right about there's a little bit of a resonance, and I can tell because the wire is bouncing. But the resonance you're looking for is the resonance that right after the wire starts to bounce, you should get a peak, and we're not getting that. See, it just went. Oh, I missed it again, so I go back and forth. I'm looking for where the wire starts to bounce. Here we up at 900. There's a little one at 920. There it is, right there. Right there. See, this is 941, 947. Right there, right there. You can hear it and see it at the same time. Big resonance. If I go just a little bit past it, I've lost it. So I'm going to bring it up again. Right there. Okay, I believe I have found the resonance. Now I'm not going to touch the signal generator at all. I'm going to notice where the beaker is, how its orientation, remove it. It's still resonating way out here. Remove it. And now this is the sort of the novel part of this. I'm going to adjust the resonant frequency of this tube by pulling out the cardboard tube. Once again, looking for an increase in volume. You can hear it and clearly see it. Right there, I think I had a little bit too loud to start with. Whew, didn't need to be as loud as I had it to start with. But now I've got it all set up. We've got the resonant frequency is determined. I have adjusted the resonance of the tube that's connected to the driver. And now I'm going to put the beaker back in where it was. Take out the microphone, no point. Don't need the microphone any longer now. And now, put down the cloth And according to the instructions, I'm going to now just briefly turn up the amplifier. And it should break the beaker. If it doesn't, then we'll have to go back and try once more to find the resonance. But I'm pretty confident here it's going to break. So there we go. There it is, one less beaker. When you're selecting your beakers, it says in the instructions, but this is important, you want to use beakers that are 600 milliliter, but made in the USA. I've tried this with the German beakers. The German beakers are stouter than these, and the resonant frequency is quite a bit higher, and apparently more energy is required because I can only break about 1 in 5 of those. But these, almost every one is doomed once it gets into the chamber. That's it.